once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This is a Bernina B-480. Actually, this machine has an issue. When you turn it on, the screen comes up just with a lot of different settings and positions button. Something electronically going on. I'm gonna go inside and check it out and see what's going on. I'm gonna have to reset the whole machine because every time you turn it on, boom, that's what comes up. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out and show you later. The Bernina 480 that I'm working on, as soon as you turn it on, this comes up right away, you know. And this is something that the technician usually used to calibrate, you know, how many stitches you have, you know, everything we checked here. This is how we set up. We adjust, you want to check how many stitches and whether, you know, everything we check it here. But the actually issue that this machine D had is not something that I could really, put it on a video because you need to be certified to be able to work on this. But I'm going to turn it off now and turn it back on. And now you're going to see, you know, the machine is now off. I'm going to turn it on now. So when I turn it on, the machine should start now with the actually stitching mode instead of the back end of the actually machine program as it was doing it before. When it comes up now, it should start regular sewing mode. You're gonna see when it comes up right now, it's gonna show you exactly that. There you go. That's exactly what needs to be, comes out when the machine starts sewing. Once you put it on. Here's the Bernina 480 I was working on. Look at that. Working beautiful. Everything's working perfectly fine. Very, very good. Everything is good. Everything is 100%. Clean stitch, nice. Everything working perfectly fine. Okay, now the machine is on, you know, and it's coming up with the right screen, which is the one that should come up when you turn it on, not the other one on the service mode. Unfortunately, because it's an electronic machine and we have to have the right tools and the right measuring devices that you need to get these up and running, you know, it's not something that I could actually put it on, but you know, it's something that it needs to be done by someone who's certified by Bernina to work on this machine. All right, so I'm gonna put everything back together now because I haven't, you know, took the bobbin case out to oil it. I took everything out, took all the covers out to adjust the belt and everything. So now I'm gonna put it back together, make some samples, and we'll show you the machine. It should be 100% perfectly fine. The Sewing Doctor in New York.